Alcatel just announced the One X at MWC 2018, a budget smartphone with an 18:9 display. It comes in two versions, Suede finish and soft touch. The latter has a nice soft feeling on the back and is definitely our favorite version. Because of that, it has a surprisingly high quality feeling. Another version with a fingerprint sensor will also be launched. Inside is a quad-core processor, 16GB of extendable internal storage, depending on the version 1 or 2GB of RAM, and a 2460 mAh battery. Together with the OS, Android 8.1 Oreo in the Android Go version, everything feels pretty smooth and makes you feel like holding a mid-range phone. Besides that, on the back is, depending on the version, an 8MP or 13MP camera, which on the first look seems to do a relatively good job, and you can find the 5MP camera on the front. Typical for Alcatel, the camera app comes with quite a few extra features. The Alcatel One X will cost around $100 and will come with multiple color options and in multiple versions. For the price, it's definitely worth a look for people who are on a budget or look for a good start into the smartphone world. Ask your questions about the One X in the comments. If you like this video, feel free to give us a like, otherwise the dislike button is right next to it. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future content. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Ümit for Mobile Geeks.